So whenever you want to create a good video, you know that you actually have to do your own research. Therefore, in today's video, I will show you how you can build a no-code AI system that is capable of doing research on different YouTube channels, analyzing their videos, analyzing the hooks in their videos, giving the summary of what the video was about, and pulling out the most important metrics around the video. Therefore, instead of spending hours and hours and hours doing video analysis manually, you can implement this no-code AI system, and it's going to do the analysis for you, and then you're going to be able to come into your database or Airtable or Google Sheet, watch it quickly and see what topics are performing, what's getting the views, and maybe what potentially you could create on your channel. So without further ado, let's jump into the system. So of course, right away on my screen, you can see an N8N workflow. And this is a very simple but very effective scraper that scrapes YouTube videos and then provides that information and data to AI to analyze it. But before we talk about what's in here, let's go very quickly into the Airtable. So right away you can see that I have the information about basically from which channel the video is coming. I can see the title of the video, I can see the video duration, I can see the hook analysis and what hook a particular channel used for particular video. It's giving me the hook summary. The AI tries to predict why this hook might work. Then it gives like a video analysis, so it gives a summary, key points, key takeaways, what you should consider if you want to recreate the same video, and of course then it scrapes the views, likes, comments, and I calculate such metrics as view to like ratio and view to comment ratio. So for example, whenever I come like to this dashboard, to Airtable, but you can do this on Google Sheets, I can see it right away that, for example, this video from Nick Sarayev actually like got 5.44% view to like ratio, which is the highest amongst them all. It's getting good views, good engagement, good view to comment ratio, and maybe this is something that I also could do on my channel. So pretty cool automation. But how it works is that usually I have a different table where I add channels that I want to monitor. So I have like 5 channels, my own channel as well, and then I just paste their channel URL over here, and they have a status, skip or get ideas. If the status is skip, that means for the next run it's not gonna scrape the YouTube videos from that channel, but if the status is get ideas, then it's gonna scrape that channel to get the latest videos. So now let's go into the N8N itself. By the way, I forgot to mention, but if you want to get this workflow completely for free, subscribe to my newsletter, because I'm going to be sending out these templates to my newsletter subscribers completely for free. So if you want that, keep an eye on the newsletter. Here you can see that I have 2 triggers, a manual trigger and a scheduled trigger. So this gives me just flexibility to trigger whenever I want, or to schedule how often I want this to run. So if you go on this trigger, you can see that it runs every day at 9 a.m. So I can, every day I can wake up and already get an analysis of what other YouTube channels are uploading on their channels. I can understand what worked for them, what didn't work for them, and maybe how I can get new video ideas for my content. And then simply all I'm doing in this workflow is searching the records. So this uses actually the filter by formula field in Airtable, which means that I'm filtering only for the records that have the status get ideas. So this is exactly these records, and I skip these as the status indicates, of course. And then I have a loop which basically loops for every channel. So instead of scraping data for every channel at the same time, I'm basically scraping data for one channel at a time. And this is the scraper, but this scraper is actually configured with Apify. And Apify is a cool service that allows you to build simple scrapers. So for example, don't get afraid by this code. You actually can go into, so for example, you go into the store. This is the Apify store. I can type in YouTube and it's gonna pull out, let's say, YouTube scrapers. And here, all I have to do is put in the filters based on which I want to scrape the data. So for example, maximum videos per search term, if I'm scraping by search term, or direct URLs. So for example, I can paste the direct URL here for which I want to scrape the videos. Then I, for example, enable that I want to download video subtitles. So for example, then I could provide them for AI to analyze. But basically you just enable all filters, go into JSON and copy this piece of code. And then you head over into NA10, create an HTTP request for the Apify. And all you have to do is just to configure this JSON. And that means that in this URL, over here, I'm adding the channel URL. So whenever this loop starts, that means that I am scraping videos from each channel individually. So this starts the scraping, and of course I have an if node. So if there is no data, but in this case we had 2 items, let's say, but if there's no data, it just goes back to the loop and scrapes another channel that might have new videos uploaded. But if a channel does have a new video uploaded, then it passes on to the Airtable, where over here we create a record with all of the information. So over here under video ideas, this is going to be that table where we have all of the details, all of the analysis for video, for hook analysis, the duration of the video, view, likes, etc. So we upload this information into the Airtable, and once that is done, so actually before we upload a hook analysis and video summary, I mean in this step we don't upload a hook summary and video analysis, because in the next step we actually perform the hook analysis and video summary. So here we just upload the data that we scraped, and in this step we are analyzing the hook. So I have this prompt basically that gets a YouTube transcript and then is prompted to analyze the hook and get the takeaways, what might have worked and what, for example, potentially you could implement. And the same thing is for video summary. It also has a prompt to analyze the summary, pull out key takeaways, and so on. And then when we have the hook analysis and the video summary, then we upload that data into the Airtable like so. And then what happens is that we're just going back to the loop, and then we're doing the same process for another YouTube channel. So as you can see, this is pretty straightforward. Also, if you want to download this workflow, subscribe to my newsletter, because I'm going to be sending out this workflow completely for free for my newsletter subscribers. So if you don't want to miss that, yeah, keep an eye on my newsletter. And yeah, this is the whole system. I think it's very good for those who want to analyze their competitor videos, or not competitor videos, just other channel videos. But if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.